Hey, it's Brooke, and welcome back to my channel. If you're here, it means I haven't scared you away with my potty mouth and my honest talk about grief, so I want to get to know you more. I'm going to talk about ways that we can connect, and first, the best way to do that is by joining my monthly newsletter. I talk honestly, like always, about grief. You get behind the scenes info, you get articles, and exclusive offers on upcoming products, classes, and all that kind of stuff. The next way that you can connect with me is to become a channel member. So that's by clicking the join button here on YouTube. You get perks like loyalty badges that are super cute, custom emojis, priority replies, early videos, member shout outs, all kinds of stuff. So that's a really cool way to become part of the community. Also, I'm doing more live streams and video premieres. I'm there in the chat, so come and join me. You can super chat to jump your question to the front of the line. Those are really fun. And lastly, I am offering one-on-one grief support. I have a 12-week grief support package and also single sessions kind of on an as-needed basis for support. So those are the ways we can kind of connect a little bit more. I am looking so forward to building a community and getting to know you. I'm glad you're here. Please introduce yourself in the comments if you feel up to it or feel comfortable.